So hi guys, I have a project today. I'm helping my dad install a suspension wrap country on a Jeep. So this is the front. So if you guys want to see the setting, so pretty much you need to modify this, stretch the line a little bit, struts the shocks. This is the aftermarket springs. And this sway bar is the one that it's the one in the back. So the front one is too short. So you use the back to the front, and then the new one in the back. That pretty much. So this is a 3-inch, same side, aftermarket brackets in there, and then the rear. I mean, they're pretty easy installations. That's the setup. You just need to put this bracket right here, pretty much. Remove this and all that. That's the struts, the shocks. So yeah, same thing too. You need to stretch the adapter. You need to put the adapter here. Oh yeah, this is the project. I built everything, and this is the tire we're gonna put. Maybe this is 32. So yeah, make another video when it's done. So I'll show you guys again, so you guys have an idea. So that one is this is the aftermarket one. The one that comes in the box. This is the new one. And then the back goes in the front.